Hi guys, are you ready to learn how one savvy entrepreneur turned her investment in our legal templates into over $5,100 in affiliate commissions? That's right. Meet Margaret, who bought our legal templates to protect her online business. But what's even more impressive is how she turned that small investment into a thriving affiliate income stream. Now you might be wondering, how did she do it? Well, that's what we're going to find out in today's interview because Margaret is going to reveal her top 3 strategies for generating affiliate income, even if you're just starting. So whether you're a newbie or looking for ways to increase your affiliate income, this video is for you. If we haven't met yet, I'm Amira, the business lawyer and entrepreneur behind aselfgrew.com, where I help protect your business legally by either working with me one-on-one or simply grabbing our easy to use templates. So now let's dive into how you can protect your business online with our templates and then recoup that investment 10 times through our affiliate program. Hi, Margaret. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Amira. Nice to be able to chat with you again.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been a while. Tell us, where are you located and what do you do?
So I'm actually located in Canada, just west of Toronto. And what I do is I blog coach. So I help new and growing bloggers start their blogs, grow them, learn all of the tips and tricks of how to blog, and I get them to the point where they are blogging confidently. So that's my focus, and that's my reason for coaching bloggers. I love to get people feeling as confident of a blogger as I am, and I'm sure as you are.
Yeah, no, I think that's a great service because when I started my blogging journey years ago, I honestly didn't have any coaching. It was like a course I took. So I think the fact that you're offering that service is definitely so valuable. Now, how did you hear about me, Margaret?
So many years ago, when I was blogging with my lifestyle blog, I was ready to move on to my business, starting my blog coaching business. And I knew at that point that I really needed to do things properly. I was kind of hobbling along with one of those free privacy policies and disclaimers, and it really wasn't very comprehensive. Like they were not really good. So I started looking around and I found you by chance. And I think it was either on Pinterest or Facebook group, somebody mentioned you. And I started to look into what you offered. And I thought to myself, listen, I either should go to my lawyer to get these templates and documents so I can put on my website, which will probably cost me thousands of dollars, knowing how lawyers are when you speak to them in person. Or I could take a look at Amira's legal bundle and say, okay, let's see how this will work. And I figured out that it would work nicely here in Canada and also internationally. So I purchased it and it was fantastic. I was done with each of those pages in less than 30 minutes and I was ready to do business. So it was fantastic. And the reason why over the years I've purchased so many of your other templates for various different purposes is because of that legal bundle. It was so well organized and easy to use and customize, and you just knew what you were doing. So that's how I became one of your fans and one of your affiliates.
Yeah, no, it's absolutely impressive. And what blows my mind is how much you have earned from our affiliate program. I was actually looking into the dashboard this morning before our call, and I was like, okay, let's see how much you've made. And I saw like you made over $5,100 already through our program. And I know for a fact that you didn't even spend anywhere near that amount on the
No.
multiple templates that you've bought over the years. So that just blows my mind. And I know people are dying to know your strategies, especially for someone who's new with affiliate marketing or even an experienced one. They can definitely learn a lot through your tips. So why don't we get it right into like the first tip that you have for consistent affiliate income? And you have made consistent
Yeah.
income month after
Yeah.
month from our program.
Well, there's several, you have to always diversify with how you promote your affiliate products. And the first tip I have to say is you have to like and feel strongly about the affiliate product that you are recommending. You can take any brand out there and post a link, but if you haven't had personal experience with it, you cannot speak to it in a way that is passionate and that conveys to the reader or to whoever is viewing that information in a way that will convince them that it is actually worthwhile. It is a real solution to their problem. So the first thing I would say is like if you're using it in a blog post, don't just add the link and say, here's, get the legal bundle because you need it. Well, why? What does it do? How does it help you? Right. So for me, I always would explain in just a short blurb that this has helped me to do XYZ, or this has helped me to sleep easy at night knowing that I'm legally protecting my blog as well as financially. So that kind of information is extremely important. Tell the reason why this product is really a good solution and your personal experience with it. I think that's very important. And that is one of the key reasons why I think a lot of my content online, I know that one of my blog posts about key legal pages is generating traffic for you for, sales is because I've framed it that way. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's my reason. I think the second point I want to make about, promoting things like the legal bundle and your other products is go beyond just your blog. So looking at all of the other channels that you currently have and are actively working on. So if you're on Instagram, how can you promote an affiliate product, the legal pages or the legal bundle there? Like, how do you do that, right? So there's, the Instagram posts, Instagram stories. Make sure you have a link with a link sticker, right? All those things. And again, tell the reason why it is a great solution. So keep doing what you do in blog posts. You do that also on your other channels. And I also promote in my newsletter once in a while, and also in my Facebook group, any other way that, I'm communicating and sharing. Whenever you have a sale going on that if I have enough time, I will say, hey, there's a sale going on. This is the reason why you need this. Particularly if you're a new blogger and you want to blog for business, for money, then you need to, have these pages on there. And the third way that I promote your products is through word of mouth. It's because I am a coach, I will recommend things to my clients and I'll tell them the reason why, whether it's I'm doing a blog audit or I'm doing a session where I'm getting them started with their website, I will recommend your product with the notes after the session. And I think that's a very smart way of doing it too, because I get a chance to explain to the person the reason why they need it and I show them the way that they need to have it set up. So word of mouth is very, very powerful. And whenever there's an opportunity, whenever anybody's asking about it, that's when I plug my affiliate link for your stuff. And I think that's a very important way of promoting affiliate products. So those are my three strategies that have been working for me extremely, extremely well.
Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more because I also make affiliate income from different products too. So all these strategies that you're sharing are not just relevant to promoting my legal templates, but basically any affiliate product.
Anything.
So
Absolutely.
because they're going to work across the different ways. And what I love is that you're absolutely right. I think the biggest mistake that newbie bloggers or affiliate marketers make is that they think that it's enough to just share through one way and they don't diversify and they don't share multiple different ways. And I think that's the key to your success is like you didn't just write the blog post, you also then have Instagram, then you also got that personal touch, like with your coaching, the word of mouth. So there's just different ways to still convey your results with the program as long as you're happy. Obviously, the key here is to only promote stuff that you trust, stuff that has actually made a difference in your
Absolutely.
business, because you
Yeah,
want to be,
absolutely.
yeah, you want to be honest and
And
transparent.
and also when you're sharing things that you've built on that are based on your experience, people find you more credible. They don't see you as just pushing something because you want a commission. It's because you truly believe in the product or whatever it is that you're promoting. And I think that's very important when you actually have the proof of having used that and you have a story that you can say that, this has helped me do XYZ, then that's very important too. You have that proof that it's actually worthwhile to use. So those are the three main reasons I think that, it's very smart to do that, particularly if you're a new blogger.
Yeah. And the only other thing that I would add from my experience is that also create a video or a short reel or something, because nowadays video is just so powerful. It's more important than it ever was. So
Mm-hmm.
even in my blog articles, I have embedded my own videos of like an affiliate product or if I promote a tool or something. I think it really helps because again, that video, even when you're not working one-on-one, that video will establish that trust and credibility a lot sooner than just a blog post, in other words. So that's also
Absolutely.
something that I would add.
That's actually, and I'm gonna throw in a good blog coaching tip here. Always update your content. So if you have a blog post that has an affiliate link for a product that you truly do love, go back, update it with that blog post with a video, and then watch it will bump up with more commissions for sure.
Absolutely. And videos also help with Google ranking too. So it's, you get a lot of benefits there. No, I love these tips. I think they are super helpful. And in the end, what would you tell Margaret to somebody that's brand new with affiliate marketing, wants to make money from our affiliate program, wants to buy the templates, but then kind of want to model some of these things? And then, what would be your number one tip, or what are some other things that you could share?
I would say find the pain point of your reader and address that with the solution, which would be your product. What is the pain point? So every blog is going to have a different type of audience. How can all of your legal templates help somebody solve a problem? So from looking from that perspective, when you do it with intention, it's much easier to write, whether it's a blog post or a social media post or do a video and address why somebody needs your templates. I think that's the smartest way of going about it. When you do things that way, it's not wasted time because, again, just as you said, throwing something, just a link and saying, here's, get the legal templates. Why? What is it going to do for me, right? Why do I need it? That is going to be really very important for long-term success. And I would say that, like with anything, do it right from the beginning. And as your blog traffic grows, as your audience grows, you're going to see that you're going to get more and more commissions. And I think the more important thing is also to be consistent. So every once in a while, go back to those affiliate products that you love and re-promote them. Like don't stop just once and give up. Just come up with new ways of promoting it and new messaging and figure out ways to connect with your audience and give them the solution that they're looking for. So I think those are the two important things I would say, that any new blogger, don't give up, just find other ways of promoting it and connecting with the right audience.
Absolutely. Love those tips. And no matter what kind of business you're in, like Margaret said, you should be like you hitting that pain point. So for example, if I'm a coach, I would be speaking from a coaching perspective, that why you need a coaching agreement. Maybe you are a designer, or website designer, or maybe a freelancer, then I'll be speaking from that perspective, right? So, and then I'll be like, oh, you need a website design agreement template from Amira for this reason. So again, it comes back to that personalization, hitting those pain points, and all the things that Margaret shared are definitely super helpful. I'm personally used those in my own experience as an affiliate marketer too. So thank you so much, Margaret, for being with us here today. So if you guys haven't yet protected your business, go ahead and visit aselfgrew.com to grab those templates. And now you know at least maybe 5 tips that we shared. So we give you more, and you have at least 5 different tips for you to recover and recoup that investment back. So definitely take advantage of that, and I will see you guys next time.